One taste of forbidden fruit, Adam condemned our race. Second Adam pulled sin from the root. Undeserved grace. The ocean's black, my sin it filled, evil, wicked, and base. His word revealed to my great thrill. Undeserved grace. Undeserved grace. Undeserved grace. Bought and paid with Jesus' blood. Undeserved grace. My account stained by sin's dark blood. Satan tried my case. In my place, Jesus took my lot. Undeserved grace. Now in heaven, my record erased, vanished without a trace. Jesus' blood my sin effaced. Undeserved grace. Undeserved grace. Undeserved grace. Bought and paid with Jesus' blood. Undeserved grace. In death's dark day, at my last gasp, I'll behold my Savior's face. Unworthy and faint, I'll feel God's grasp.